This is a publicly traded company worth almost $1 billion. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone it and make it your own. Everything except the name. Because what they figured out that nobody's talking about is there are 33 million local small businesses in America right now. Your dentist, your chiropractor, your plumber. And almost none of them have a real system in place for following up with leads, collecting 5-star reviews, or staying in touch with their customers. And they're losing money every single day because of it. Now, this company built a software that fixes this problem and charges $300 to $500 a month for it. But they can't reach all 33 million of those businesses. No single company ever could. So the market's wide open. And you don't need to build anything because the same exact software already exists in white label form. You put your name on it, set your price, and keep every dollar. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage it. No office, no employees, no boss, just a laptop and an internet connection. And real quick, before we get into it, I'm not here to sell you anything. I don't have some $1,000 course or high-ticket coaching program. Everything you need to do this yourself is already in the link in the description below. The step-by-step course, all the templates, the scripts, snapshots, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the exact same white label software we're using to clone this business, 100% for free. And if you get value from this video, it would mean a lot if you smash that like button and share this with a friend. It really does help the channel grow. So let's get into it. The company we're modeling today is called Weave Communications. They're a publicly traded software company valued at around $930 million. That's nearly $1 billion valuation, which means the model's legit, proven, and scaling fast. They sell software to small local business owners, dentists, chiropractors, realtors, med spas, orthodontists, contractors, any service-based business that needs to attract leads and stay in touch with their clients. And the business model is super simple. They offer easy-to-use tools like online scheduling, review requests, web chat, two-way texting, automated reminders, call tracking, team messaging, payments and billing. And in exchange, they charge $300 to $500 per month, every single month, to access the platform. Now, if that sounds familiar, it should. It's like Netflix. You pay a subscription fee and you get access. You stop paying and you lose it. The difference here is that instead of streaming movies, you're helping local business owners get more clients, build trust, convert leads, and automate their follow-up, all with the software that runs in the background. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to build your own software to run this business. You don't need to spend 6 figures building a tech stack. I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing by white labeling a pre-built platform that already offers all these features. And I'll show you how to launch it under your own brand with your own pricing and keep 100% of the revenue. And yes, I've done this without writing a single line of code. No tech skills, no developers, no guesswork. Just plug in your brand name, plug in your Stripe account, and you're ready to go. So what I did for you to make this even simpler is I had a pre-built, professionally designed website completely done for you with all the products, the pricing, everything. Reviews, messaging, web chat, payments, all the different products and services that Weave offers. And I'm going to give you this website template 100% for free. Now that we have this website all set up, what we want to do is white label a pre-existing software platform, just like this. And what white labeling means is you're taking a software that's already pre-built, pre-coded, so you don't have to go through and hire any expensive developers, and you don't need any tech skills or anything like that. You're just going to put your own logo on it, connect your own domain. And here's where it really gets cool. You can connect your own payment processor. So when you charge $300 a month per client, you keep all $300 per client. And if you go through and bring in 10 clients at $300 per month, that's $3,000 a month of recurring revenue. 100 clients, that's $30,000 a month. Now you can start to see how this becomes a really lucrative business. You can bring on as many clients as you want and charge them whatever you want. The platform takes 0 commissions. You get to keep 100% of the revenue, which honestly blows my mind because you're paying $297 a month and you could be making $30,000 a month with it with very, very healthy profit margins. And you can see that this software does pretty much everything that you need. Websites, automation, marketing, membership areas, review automation. So like Weave offers texting, phone numbers, and payments. We can offer the same thing. Text to pay, missed call text back, reputation management, like your online reviews, two-way text conversations, web chat, a full CRM, which is basically a place for your clients to manage all their customers. Dentists, doctors, real estate agents, whoever you're working with, they all need this. You've got websites, funnels, blogs, contact forms. Whatever your client might need, it's built in, and it's getting improved upon continually. And over on the website template I already made for you, I've included pre-built pricing plans with exactly what to offer at each tier, so you're not guessing. Now, inside the course, I also give you sales scripts, free outreach methods, client fulfillment walkthroughs. And my favorite part of all of this is that these services, like the review requests, the messaging, the web chat widget. They're basically one-time setups. But once it's running, it keeps providing value every single month. So your clients want to keep paying you $300 to $500 per month without you ever having to run Facebook ads, do SEO, write blog posts, post to social media. All that stuff takes a lot of time. But this model, you just leverage pre-built software and you still deliver massive value in a simple, scalable way. So there you have it, a simple way to go through and start your own online business. All we're going to do is white label a pre-existing software that's already pre-built and pre-coded for you. Then you just name your business whatever you want. And now you're cloning a proven business model like Weave, which is a billion-dollar company. That means you can come in and grab a ton of market share because there's tens of millions of small local businesses that need help with their marketing to get more clients, get more 5-star reviews, and benefit from all the other automation services that this software has to offer. So if you guys got value from this, do me a favor, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below what niche you want to go after. And if you're ready to get started with this, the link in the description has everything you need. A 30-day free trial to the software instead of the standard 14, a free step-by-step course, a live boot camp, and a one-on-one kickoff call to get everything set up. All free, links right below. Let's get it.